Hello all, I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to take a look at Google Dorks in combination with Google Alerts, and we are going to show you how these things are going to allow you to keep track of people, products, services, actually anything that is being published to Google. To give you a short understanding of what a Google Dork is, Google Dork is an advanced query that you can perform in the Google search engine, and it will display the results in a different way. It will prioritize on the items that you have prioritized in the query. So yeah, sounds a little bit difficult. It's not difficult, and let's start. I'm going to show you how it is done. So of course on the Cyber Warzone website we have a lot of information about Google Dorks. Just go to the website, type in Dorks, and you will get a nice list of articles which have information about Google Dorks, some toolings and cool stuff which you can use. To create a Google Dork in the setup that we want, we're going to utilize google.com alerts. This is the alerts function of Google, and this actually allows you to keep track of anything that is happening on Google. So let's say we want to keep track of myself. I want to see what is happening about me. So I can provide the query in text, because I want to find everything in the text of what Google has indexed, and I want it to match my name with it. So we say in text my name, and we get some results. So what you can do is you can say I want to create an alert for myself by pressing this button. But I would recommend that you first check the options. You can say how many times it should be checked and how quickly your the email should be sent to you. So I want to have it immediately. You can specify all of the sources that they should use. So I want to make sure that they use the news, the blogs, the web, videos, books, discussions, and hell, even some financial stuff. The language should be in any language. The environment should also be any, and I also want to get all of the results. So once we have done this, you can click on create alert, and you will get all of this information in your email. This can be cool, for example, if you want to keep track of what is being said about yourself, but it could also be a good way to find out what is happening with the name of your child, for example, if some things are popping up that you don't want. You can also, of course, do this with user accounts. If you know the username of somebody, you can type it here, and it will also keep track of that. And yeah, this is the short view of what Google Dorks and Google Alerts can do in combination with each other. For students, you can keep track of presentations, documents, you name it. So let's say security, and the file type should be PDF. Let's see if this works. So there we go. Let's make it a little bit better. There we go, guys. So literally try it out, play around a little bit with it. And if you have any questions or need some help with setting up some advanced queries, leave a comment and we will try to help you out. Remember to visit the website. We do have a lot of Google Dorks here. And yeah, enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.